So guys, for the first method, make sure that your speakers are actually plugged in. If they are, you want to unplug it and then plug it back in again. If that's still not working, you want to unplug it and then plug it into a different port on your computer case. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on any service and then click on W on our keyboard. And then you want to scroll down till you find Windows Audio. You want to double click on it. Make sure that the startup type says automatic on it and that the service status is running. So click on start, which will then make it running, and then click on OK. Now if you got to this point and you're already like this, then you want to click on restart the service. You want to do the same thing for the one under it, Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Double click on it. Make sure that the startup tab is on automatic, and then click on start, which will make the service running. Click on OK. If it was already like this when you got here, you want to click on restart the service, and then click on yes. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs, and then you want to find your speakers. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, if your speakers come with a software like my one does, I'm using the G432 headset and it comes with this software right here. You want to click on it, and then click on settings. Make sure that your firmware is up to date. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in sound settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And now you want to find your speakers. You want to double click on it and then click on advanced. Make sure that this is on the highest quality. And then you want to untick both of these options and click on OK. And now you want to make sure your speakers have been set as a default device. So you want to click on your speakers once and then click on set default, and then the green tick will appear right here, and then click on OK. And you also want to click on your speaker in the taskbar and then click on this, and make sure the correct speakers have been selected as your output device. And now for the last step, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then next to audio, you want to click on run. And then you want to follow the steps that will come up, and then it should fix your problem. Now you just want to restart your computer when you complete all the steps, and then you're done.